All right, so this is Jeep Update 39, and 39 is really the final prep before I start rewiring the Jeep. So did a couple of pain in the butt things today. Took the hood off and got the roll bar along with the sport cage out of the Jeep. Very difficult to, you wouldn't believe how much weight that thing adds, that sport cage. So it took to call a couple of my neighbors, and it took about 4 of us to get that out because it just adds so much weight to that roll bar. So it made that kind of a project and a headache, and I had to take the sport cage out because it bolts to the dash and it prevents you from being able to get behind the dash, which obviously is where a lot of the wiring is. So let me show you a couple things we did to the Jeep and how I've got my garage set up to handle this project. All right, that's what the Jeep looks like, obviously with the hood off. And that's just going to give me more access to the wiring, easier access to the wiring. So the roll bar and sport cage are out, and that's certainly going to allow me access to be able to get the dash off and get behind there where, you know, a good bit of the wiring is. So cleaned up the whole garage, and just for organization, bought these, picked these up on Amazon, and you can see everything I'm taking off, I'm labeling as I go, and it will just really save me some time when I do go back and put everything together. So over here on this table I've got my brakes, my new steering column, and of course the wiring, and I've got it more out of the box and starting to kind of study it and get familiar with it. So next steps are going to be to pull this dash off, and well, I guess I have to remove the steering wheel, but I'm going to get the dash off, and then I'm going to start reading following the instruction manual on the Painless Wiring kit to remove all the old wiring. So that's coming up. All right, so I'm set up and ready to go. The wiring, like I said in previous videos, is a little intimidating to me, but I think I'm going to be fine and just take my time, and I'm going to really follow the you know, the instruction manual, read that, and just kind of see what problems I encounter. I don't foresee encountering too many, but I'm sure there will be some issues. If you like this video, you like the content of the channel, hit that subscribe button, and hey, thanks for watching.